Mike with A&M here. I haven't given a lot of updates on the pond as of late. You might have seen the big pile cleanup video. So I'm just gonna show you guys everything that has been done since my last video. All right, so it might look unrecognizable. This is where the original pile was, right here. And that's one of the trees that you can see in the original video. But as you can see, all that area out there has been cleared. So if you can see way back there, there are some big concrete towers. Those are for a sewer that runs right back there, like a city sewer. And so when they were doing work, I asked them, can you just clear all this land for me? So now it's completely open. They put grass seed and fertilizer down. We do have a couple areas where water flows through. This is considered the wetlands back here. So I'm probably just gonna dig that, make that a little nicer, clean it up, because right now it just looks like, you know, a rough job. But over here, this is another area that there's fresh water flowing in. And then out here, if you can see, we planted like a peach tree, a plum tree, and a couple crepe myrtles over there to get some new fresh growth in here. But right here is where the water from the pond overflows into. So I'm actually gonna dredge this out too and make this into some kind of nice area back here. Maybe plant some sago palms or something around it. But yeah, we have all these trees, so that'll be cool to see what those grow up into. But yeah, it's just a dramatic change since last time. I'm gonna do a slow walk and show you. Still haven't done much on the inside, but there it is. So now we probably opened up about another quarter of an acre there. So that was a pretty dramatic change. The only other thing we've done is work around the bridge area and at the pond. So I'm gonna show you guys that too. Okay guys, so here's the barn. The barn actually got hit by a tree. That's a long story that I gotta explain in a different video. But as you can see, the pond is looking better. I've been keeping it mowed along the edge, and we just got our family photos taken here, and I think they turned out pretty good considering it's not nearly where I want it to be yet. But this is the area I was going to show you. I'll try to put a before picture in here at some point for a reference, but it just is 100 times better already. That big tree, I have a video where that actually fell into the pond. I had to pull it out. But all this area too, I want to clean up, put nice rocks in here, and I'm going to try to figure out how this water's flowing in. So I'm going to dredge up there, bring it down, and then maybe have it layering into the pond. And I might actually put a pump, like pumping the water back up to the top, so it has like a waterfall effect almost. So it should be pretty cool when it's all done. This one crepe myrtle was here when we got here, so I just kept that. But there's still piles of stuff over there we got to clean up. I might cut all these branches back a little bit. But besides that, you know, I'm probably going to tear down that barn eventually. But until I get a new barn, I'm not going to do that. And then inside the house, still working on the subfloors in there. It's just been real hot here all summer in South Carolina. So now it's going to be cooling off. So I'll probably get to that. So this was kind of just an update video to show you guys what we have gotten done so far. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.